Olympics is good. So far, so good. It can strengthen our alliance of the world and increase the tourism of countries.
For the benefits of the Olympics in this year is that you can know what the strengths and weaknesses for other country, so then you can prepare it for the next Olympics.
If I get invited to Olympic, I will probably choose swimming because before the coronavirus, I swim. I like to swim.
And for me, if I was invited to the Olympics, I would like to follow the Karate Olympics because 1 or 2 years ago, I was a karate athlete, so maybe I can still remember the base lessons.
Hi, I will be choosing badminton since I choose badminton because I'm good in Olympics and I'm good in badminton and I know how to play it.
Message to all the athletes in Malaysia. If you didn't win, still a good game. GG. And good luck on your next Olympic.
Okay, a message to all Malaysian players. Don't give up until you reach your dream.
For the message to Malaysian athletes is just be brave. It doesn't matter if you can't win on this year. Let this year Olympics be an experience for you.